Do I miss my Himalayan? I gave away my Himalayan about 2 years ago and I never really missed it much until yesterday. Because I was browsing through my computer and some files and I thought I'll take a look at the GoPro footage of my 3 trips to the Himalayas which I did on my 2016 BS3 Himalayan. Watching the videos brought back such fantastic memories that I spent a whole day watching, binge watching and relived the rides. Amazing memories, and I'm so glad that I did all those trips because I really wonder when I will be able to visit the Himalayas again. After I gave away my Himalayan early 2020, came the pandemic and messed up almost all of 2020. And then when we thought things were getting better, it happened again in 21, and bloody hell, it's happening right now in 2022. Well, I guess it is what it is. After I gave away my Himalayan, I was spending a lot of time and beginning to enjoy my modified Interceptor, the Muddy Hog. I could do a bit of off-roading, and of course it was faster and much more powerful, and I was enjoying it a little more than the Himalayan, that's what I thought. And I spent a lot of time and energy and money hoping that it would replace the Himalayan and do better than that. And it nearly did. Until I took it on a trail and found out that it cannot replace the Himalayan. I should have known better, but at least I tried. I had planned a trip to the Himalayas on my Interceptor and I was confident that it will be okay. But after this trail ride, I realized that I was too ambitious with my expectations and I had overestimated my riding ability. So after much pondering, I gave away my Muddy Hog and got myself an X-Pulse BS6. And life changed. Believe you me, it did. That little wheezy X-Pulse took me where I would not dare to have gone on any other motorcycle. To prove to myself that this motorcycle actually has changed the way I looked at off-roading, I took it to all and every single place that I visited with my Himalayan and the Interceptor. And I was able to ride all those tracks and trails with so much more ease that I have now become addicted to off-roading. Mind you, I'm not talking about sport style, fast riding, but rather a steady exploring style, unhurried and unworried. And over the last several months, I repeated the same trails over and over again, and it was getting a bit boring and I was getting greedy too. So I started to look for new trails and slowly but surely started to venture out further and further from Bangalore. So much so that Sunday morning trail rides have now become a full day ride because of the distances involved. And with the greater distances came a new problem. The stretch of highway from Bangalore to the trail location. And this longer distance is the problem on the X-Pulse. Though I have over the last few months learned to accept and enjoy the highway stretches on the X-Pulse, it is in fact a bit time consuming and a bit more tiring to have to constantly wring the neck of that X-Pulse to keep up any kind of decent pace. And it is in these circumstances that I miss the Himalayan. Getting to the trails would have been super easy and super relaxed, but the trails would not be so much fun, that is for sure. Anyway, while I miss the Himalayan, I do not see myself going back to it. I cherish the great journeys that my Himalayan has taken me on and I am grateful to it. One thing though is clear, many of us should be thankful to Royal Enfield and the Himalayan for unlocking the affordable adventure touring segment in India. And because of that, we are spoilt for choices. So, thank you Himalayan, thank you Royal Enfield. Till next time, happy and safe riding.